Hi, my name's Alizé Demange and I'm a fashion stylist based in London. Originally, I wanted to be a fashion designer, but then I realised that can't do sewing stuff. So I was like, I really like putting things together and working with people and like creating like a final image. So I really got into styling. When you think actually it's going to be like a really creative job, most of it's about problem solving and like personal relationships and kind of being someone that is reliable and there for, especially when you're working with talent. When you're working with talent, you are also someone that's kind of solving a lot of like people's insecurities or what they feel like or what they want to achieve, and you're kind of like filling in those gaps through the medium of clothes. And that can be sometimes a bit genuinely challenging because it's not a straightforward or like a linear job. So I think it is hard, like it's definitely a labor of love. Like even the idea, like it's physically quite taxing, like lugging around a suitcase all the time, you know, having loads of options, doing so much prep, returns, etc. But ultimately it's really nice to make people feel good about themselves, and like that's a beautiful part of the job. I've done so many looks, yeah, where maybe the hair isn't what it should have been and it completely like diluted the look. It didn't elevate it to where it needed to be. And then there's other times when we've really collaborated as a team and we've made sure that everything has been cohesive. And then it just takes it to a whole nother level. Like people underestimate how much hair makes up an outfit. Like it kind of communicates more of a mood. Like, am I feeling like this? Or am I like chic, Amazonian woman, sleek, amazing? I don't know, there's just so many things you can do with hair as well, and like the artistry has grown so much, the techniques is like on a whole different level to when I even started. So it's definitely super important even within styling. Like even though that's not technically my role, I do have a say so in what I think hair should look like, just to kind of like make sure that everything ties together and just looks tip top for the client. I've had lots of different phases with my hair. I think from childhood to adult, like my hair's also changed so much. Like as a mixed race person, my hair's not been the same texture the whole of my life, and I've had to like learn a lot by myself of how to do my hair. And there was a lot, especially in secondary school, I started to learn a lot more because my friends, like my mum didn't have the same hair as me, so like I learned how to do my curls and stuff with my friends, and like trying different hair care products. Then I started dyeing my hair, big regret. I lost a lot of my hair and I lost my curl pattern, so don't recommend. I've been very expressive within my hair, but as a later adult, so probably like 27 plus, I kind of liked being my natural hair color. And also now like reviving my curl pattern and really trying to take care of it as much as I possibly can. So like I oil it, like I make sure that I'm using the right products for my hair, and I've left it. Like I don't really like use heat that much on my hair anymore at all. And I just loving the growth and the length from just leaving it, which is, you know, working for me right now. Your hair, I feel like, is like a symbol of yourself. Like I feel like what you're going through or what it needs, like I think it becomes like a little bit of something you need to listen to and really like lean into to know what it needs.